The following video is part of the Writing Center's Dirty Dozen workshop series. Specifically, this video covers Pronoun-Antecedent Agreement. Let's take a look at an example. Which sentence is correct? People trying to reduce their salt intake should avoid canned foods. Or, anyone trying to reduce their salt intake should avoid canned foods. The first sentence is correct. There, the pronoun in this sentence is plural. People, the antecedent to which the pronoun refers, is also plural. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. An antecedent is the word, phrase, or clause to which a pronoun refers. In the following example, the antecedent is in bold and the pronoun is underlined. The teacher forgot her book. Pronouns and antecedents must agree, aka be the same, in person, first person, second person, or third person, in gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter, and in number, singular or plural. Most pronoun-antecedent agreement errors result from number disagreement. Remember this rule of thumb. If the antecedent is singular, the pronoun must be singular. If the antecedent is plural, the pronoun must be plural. Let's look at an example. The soldiers ironed his uniform. The correct sentence should read, the soldiers ironed their uniforms. Why? Because only in the second sentence does the pronoun their agree with the antecedent, soldiers. In this case, both are plural. Most agreement problems arise with singular indefinite nouns, person, student, individual, soldier, etc., and indefinite pronouns, someone, each, anybody, neither. Remember this rule of thumb. These words are indefinite because they do not definitely refer to males or females. Because they are singular, they should be followed by the singular pronouns his or her, his or hers, or him or her, depending on context. There are many common pronoun-antecedent agreement mistakes to be aware of. First, people often use plural pronouns such as they or theirs to refer to indefinite singular antecedents, like this: everyone has their own car, or a person should always lock their car. This usage is common but incorrect. Everyone is singular and therefore should have a singular pronoun. A person is also singular and should have a singular pronoun. So how can we correct this problem? We could write, everyone has his or her own car, or a person should always lock his or her car. One more thing to consider. Although correct, using his or her, him or her, he or she can become awkward and repetitive. Here are some solutions. First, you can make the noun plural. People should lock their cars. Or you could rewrite the sentence to omit the pronoun. Everyone has a car. Common mistake number 2. Antecedents joined with or nor. Remember this rule of thumb. When antecedents are joined by or nor, the pronoun should agree with the antecedent closer to it. For example, neither the crew members nor their captain would abandon his ship. For a more natural sounding sentence, you can place the plural part of a compound subject second. So it would read, neither the captain nor the crew members would abandon their ship. The third common mistake involves collective nouns and their pronouns. Collective nouns refer to groups such as class, herd, and jury. They take singular or plural pronouns depending on whether they refer to the group acting together as one unit, singular, or to the members of the group acting separately, plural. For example, the jury was unanimous in its verdict. In this case, the jury is acting as a unit, so we treat jury as singular. But if we said the jury disagreed in their assessments of the case, now the jury members are acting individually, so we treat jury as plural. Finally, common mistake number 4, indefinite pronouns. For indefinite pronouns, both, few, many, several, are always plural and are referred to with plural pronouns. For example, few realize how quickly their lives can change. The indefinite pronouns all, any, more, most, none, and some may be singular or plural depending on the word to which they refer. Most of the residents got their mortgages through the same bank, and any player could have her best game of the season tonight. To learn about vague or unclear pronoun references, check out the next video.